Every year, without announcement, winter brings life back to the wetlands. From distant lands they arrive, not as visitors, but as returning guests. During the monsoon, this wetland overflows with water. But when the rains leave, so does the life. The land waits. Weeks pass, the water settles, the air cools. And then winter arrives. With winter comes movement. Migratory birds return, filling the skies, the trees, the water. For a short season, this wetland becomes a shared space. For birds seeking rest and people seeking wonder, some come to escape winter, others come to begin life. Painted storks choose these trees for a reason. Safety, water, food. Here, above the wetland, a new generation waits to take flight. Winter turns the wetland generous. Fish return, water birds gather. For pelicans, feeding is not rushed. It is precise, powerful, perfectly timed. Among all these visitors is a bird that defines endurance, the bar-headed goose. It crosses mountains taller than clouds, flying where oxygen is thin, where survival itself is a challenge. And after all that, it finds rest here. For a few months every year, this wetland becomes one of the best places on earth to witness migration. Not because it is famous, but because it is alive. When winter comes, the wetland breathes again.